Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Rankmath is active and the Schema module is enabled. This gives you the tools to add structured data. Once done, open the page or post you want to mark up and gather the core content: title, description, author, publish date, because accurate fields improve rich result eligibility. Next, locate the Rankmath meta box below the editor and click the Schema tab. This is where you begin choosing types and populating values. Make sure your WordPress user role permits editing schema. You now add the specific schema type that matches the content. Choose article for posts or product for e-commerce pages because correct type influences search features. Once chosen, map each required field: title, image, date published, author, price, or rating, and pull values from post data or custom fields. This ensures accuracy and avoids duplication. If you have repeated items, use the repeater feature for FAQ or recipe steps. That organizes multiple entries cleanly. Finally, you finish by validating the JSON LD and publishing confidently. First, use Rankmath's preview to inspect output, and then run Google's rich results test to catch required field issues. Once validated, save and update the post, and make sure to request indexing so search sees the changes faster. If something goes wrong, check for duplicates, missing required fields, or plugin conflicts that strip JSON LD. Disable other SEO/schema plugins temporarily to isolate the issue. Finally, monitor Search Console for errors and fix as they appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.